Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam cursed his community. Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam cursed his community. Sayyidina Nuh alayhi salam cursed his community. Azab came to them. Did Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam ever say this in dunya? Did the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam ever say this in dunya? Oh Allah, separate me from my people. Distance me from my people. Keep me away from these evil people, these sinful people. I have been conveying the message of Islam to them. I cry for them. Late at night I wake up and I shed tears. And I say, oh Allah, forgive them. Oh Allah, guide them. Ya Allah, they are not accepting the message of peace. Ya Allah, separate me from them. Did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam ever say this? No. Not only that, Allahu Akbar. Once the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was crying. And he was saying, Ummati, 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 my Ummah, my Ummah, my Ummah. Allah Jalla wa ala sent Jibreel Amin. Suddenly Jibreel Amin came from the heavens. And Allah Jalla wa ala sent Jibreel Amin with a message. What was the message? Allah said, say to my beloved, Ma yubkik, Ma yubkik. What makes you cry, O beloved? What makes you weep, O beloved? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam responded, the beloved of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Wallah, I am crying because of my ummah. I am crying because of my ummah. Allah Jalla wa ala says, O Jibreel, go and tell my beloved that I will not disappoint you regarding your ummah. Jibreel Amin came back to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. According to one narration, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in one breath, continuously Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam shedding tears was saying, Ummati, 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 Ummati. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam continuously, repeatedly said the same words, my ummah, my ummah, my ummah, my ummah. And that is when the Quranic verse was revealed. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْتِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَىٰ. Oh beloved, Allah will give you so much that you will be pleased with Allah. You will be happy with Allah Jalla wa ala.